Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is Madam, and I'm coming back to you once again. And this is an update about Vanessa Bryant. Uh, Reaches nearly $29 million settlement with Los Angeles County in lawsuit over Kobe Bryant's crash photos. I will list the article right in all of the details in the description as I always do. And it says Vanessa Bryant has reached a nearly 29 million agreement with Los Angeles County to settle a lawsuit over photos that were taken at the helicopter crash that killed her husband, Los Angeles Lakers star Kobe Bryant, and her daughter Gianna Bryant, and several others. The settlement caps several years of litigation related to the January 2020 helicopter crash on a Calabasas, California hillside and photos that circulated in its aftermath. Today marks the successful culmination of Mrs. Bryant's courageous battle to hold accountable those who engaged in this grotesque conduct. Louis Lee, an attorney representing Bryant, said in a statement to CNN, "She fought for her husband, her daughter, and all those in the community whose deceased families were treated with similar disrespect. We hope her victory at trial and this settlement will put an end to this practice." The settlement comes after a federal jury in August of 2022 found the Los Angeles County Sheriff's and Fire Departments liable for infringing on the constitutional rights of Bryant and her co-defendant Christopher Chester for taking and sharing gruesome photos of the helicopter crash that left 9 people deceased. The photos included not just wreckage of the helicopter, but close-up images of the mangled bodies of those deceased. Bryant and Chester argued that the photos of their loved ones caused emotional distress and violated their privacy, which it did. Each testified to living in fear the photos may surface, despite the county's assertion the photos had been destroyed. The jury awarded Chester $15 million in damages and Bryant $16 million, which was later reduced to $15 million due to clerical error, according to Bryant's attorney. The Los Angeles County Board of Supervisors in September 2022 agreed to pay an additional $4.95 million to Chester, who lost his wife Sarah and 13-year-old daughter Peyton in the helicopter crash. Meyer Hashmel led trial counsel for Los Angeles County called the recent settlement with Bryant fair and reasonable. The $28,850,000 settlement includes a verdict awarded by the federal jury in August of 2022 and further resolves all outstanding issues related to the pending legal in the state court, future claims by Bryant's children, and other costs, with each party responsible for its own respective attorney fees, Hashmel said in a statement. Bianca Bella Bryant and Capri Kobe Bryant, the youngest daughters of the Bryant family, were named in the lawsuit along with their mother. "We hope Miss Bryant and her children continue to heal from their loss," Hashmel added. And that is the end of the article. So the Kobe Bryant trial has came to an end. She was awarded a good substantial amount for damages. Um, you know, and if you ever followed it, I've did several videos on it, which I will link in this video. It was really disgusting how one person, it came out in court that, they were just showing the photos at a bar, or another person was showing, photos online as they were playing video games and things like that, with total disregard for the respect of any of the victims involved, you know. So, yeah, I mean, they did what they did, regardless if the photos were destroyed or not. That's one boundary you shouldn't cross with anyone, whether they be celebrity or everyday person, so it is what it is, and I'm glad that she has some peace of mind, um, even if it came in a financial, way. Uh, Hopefully, this will help her and her surviving members of the family to, move on and have some peace, and to teach those who circulated the photos for fun, or things like that, that things like that will not be tolerated. And they have some family members out here that will go above and beyond to fight for their family's right to grieve, you know but that's just my opinion. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I'll be very interested to hear what you have to say. Don't forget to sound off. Come chop it up with me. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much for watching this video. I truly do appreciate it. And with that, I will get with you in the next one.